Hello guys and welcome. This is Sad from codingandgeology.com and welcome to this video. And this video will teach you how to code, how to type in different places at the same time on VS Code, which is a magic typing way on Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. What I mean that you want to type at the same time. Type at the same time at different places in the same file. Like this. What we want to do is to duplicate the cursor to type in different places. So press Alt key and Control key and then use the arrows to duplicate the cursor. Like this, down, downward, upward, whatever you want. And this Alt key, Control key, and then use the arrows. So now type. Here we go. Look at this. Alright? In any file you have, like here in CSS file, Alt key, Control key, and they use the arrows. You see? Let's go. And even JavaScript file, anywhere you want, let's give some space and the Control key, Alt key, and duplicate the cursor and basically wait. What you want to see, this is Sad from coding and geology.com. Alright, like this, and here Control key, Alt key, and duplicate, and then follow me on social media. Alright, so that's it for this way, and this is incredible way for VS Code. So that's it for this video, and subscribe to this channel, press that like button, and thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.